Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday I made a video on this, and during that video I was showing you if you ever made a mistake. This is a mistake, but it's on purpose. That's pretty cool. Let's just take this out of the way. We're going to do just like we did yesterday. We're going to take a six-sided star and hit P. That way it puts it in the center of the page, make it a five-sided star. And also yesterday I thought I made an error, but if I take a 2-point line and then bring in the indexing line so we'll know they're in the center of the page, and then go downwardly to there, at first I thought that was a mistake, but what it does help is that now these two lines, well, let me put that one back, and we're going to cut that line. This way, those two lines did not join because they weren't, let me just move the star out of the way for a second. Those two lines were not joined because they're at that angle and not at the end of the line. Now, both of them are going to, let me select them, go to the shape tool. Both of them are going downhill. So let's make a duplicate and move it over, and let's get the shape tool and let's change this one by right-clicking and reverse the subpath. Now we're going to open up the blend docker again, and we're going to blend this 22 times. That was the mistake because they're going in the opposite direction. This is the correct way. But if you take these and change the color and move them back, Control G to group it, and then move it back, and it's grouped together now, so we can select it again and Control D, getting the two-sided arrow and holding down the control button, and then group that, Control G, Control D, alternate C, and we'll rotate it that 72 degrees. It doesn't look all that special till we put the black box on it, and look at that. Now, also have the outline of, well, let me take away the indexing line. That's pretty cool because you can kind of see the really fine lines in the center, and that's, let alone the yellow, is a pretty cool effect because it's going outwardly to all the exterior parts of the star and shorter on the interior part. And like yesterday's video, you don't have to go with what the colors I picked. You could, let's make them all blue. Look at that. That looks pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.